In today's video, we're going to show you how to make paper origami boxes. This could be really good if you want to reuse paper, or you can also fold these boxes out of paper towels if you want to use them for things like organizing small items. You could do that. Otherwise, you could also use them for you're eating chicken wings and you got bones. Because the paper is compostable, you can basically throw the bones in there and throw it all in your organics bin at the end of the meal.
Yeah. I thought that you were my friend, but I guess I was wrong. Maybe if I were not your friend, you would treat me nice as I treat. Yeah, I treat you, you treat me. I thought we were free. Maybe I thought that we sounded great together. Yeah. We sounded really great. I don't know how I could hate you. Yeah, hey. Oh. Yeah. I thought that you were my friend, but I guess I was wrong. Maybe if I were not your friend, you would treat me nice as I treat. Yeah, I treat you, you treat me. I thought we were free. Maybe I thought that Hey, maybe I thought that you were crazy, but I thought that we were both crazy. Baby, cause I thought that you, baby. Ooh, I am crazy. Maybe, baby. My name is crazy. Crazy. Hi. My name is Sky. Hi. Whoa. Hey, my name is Martha. Maybe if I thought that you were crazy, yeah. Hi, my name is Anika. Baby, if I thought that you were. Hey, my name is Ollie. My name is Ollie.
The other thing you can do is you can fold the box and then you can pre-fold several of them and just store them in one of your ready-to-go boxes. Well, I hope that was helpful, everybody. Thanks for watching another video at Life Made Simple, and have fun folding the origami boxes as well as finding new uses for these little organizers